Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure prerequisites are ready. You need the latest WhatsApp, a chat backup, and a stable Wi-Fi connection. This avoids data loss. Once done, open WhatsApp and tap the three dots or settings icon. Navigate to settings immediately so you change defaults systematically. Make sure to verify your phone number if prompted, because defaults like notifications and backups depend on account status. This prepares you to adjust privacy, media, and notification defaults without interruptions. Now adjust the core defaults that affect daily use. Open Settings, then Privacy, set last seen and profile photo to my contacts or nobody to control visibility. Next, go to Chats to toggle media visibility and set backup frequency, daily for minimal risk. Then enter notifications to choose tones, vibration, and pop-up behavior so alerts match your preference. These choices reduce interruptions and protect privacy. Once set, the app will follow them across chats and new groups, keeping behavior consistent. Finish by checking storage and backup settings to complete defaults. You should set media auto-download rules to Wi-Fi only and review storage usage to delete large files. Confirm the last backup time and set automatic backups to a frequency that suits you. If something goes wrong, restart the app first. Make sure WhatsApp has all permissions like storage and contacts. If problems persist, reinstall after creating a fresh backup. This preserves messages and restores your chosen defaults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.